The attachment of the orbital plate of the frontal bone. There is a depression present in the anterior medial part of the orbital plate and another large depression present in the anterolateral part of the orbital plate. The first depression is fovea trochlearis, which serve as a attachment point for cartilaginous pulley of superior oblique muscle. This is superior oblique muscle. This is cartilaginous pulley. It is the only cartilage found in the orbit and it's act like pulley which is essential for the movement of the superior oblique muscle. And this is the lacrimal fossa where lacrimal gland is lodged.